Hello, marvelous history buffs, and welcome to Today in History for the 11th of March. Buckle up for 20 astonishing tales that'll make you question what your teachers left out. From explosive natural disasters to rebellious declarations, each moment is guaranteed to blow your mind. If quirky facts and hidden stories spark your curiosity, smash that subscribe button and let's time travel together. Number 20. On the 11th of March, 222, Roman Emperor Elagabalus was assassinated in a palace conspiracy. His extravagant lifestyle and controversial religious reforms ended abruptly, making way for the 14-year-old Severus Alexander. Number 19. On the 11th of March, 1669, Mount Etna unleashed one of Europe's largest recorded eruptions. Lava flows devastated surrounding villages in Sicily, foreshadowing centuries of rumbling that still keeps locals on edge. Number 18. On the 11th of March, 1702, the Daily Courant debuted in London, becoming England's first daily newspaper. Its single-page format aimed to deliver fresh news while politely avoiding editorial rants, or so they claimed. Number 17. On 11 March 1824, U.S. Secretary of War John C. Calhoun established the Bureau of Indian Affairs, shaping policy for Native American tribes and igniting controversies still debated in modern politics. Number 16. On the 11th of March, 1851, Giuseppe Verdi's opera Rigoletto premiered at La Fenice in Venice, captivating audiences with tragic drama, unforgettable melodies, and a sinister court jester who's tough to forget. Number 15. On the 11th of March, 1861, the Confederate States of America adopted their permanent constitution, formally organizing a rebellious government as tensions with the Union barreled toward all-out Civil War conflict. Number 14. On the 11th of March, 1867, Verdi struck again with the premiere of Don Carlos at the Paris Opera. Political intrigue, romance, and a few heretics. What more could 19th century crowds crave? Number 13. On 11 March 1888, the Great Blizzard pummeled the U.S. East Coast, burying cities in enormous snowdrifts. This whiteout chaos disrupted trains, snapped telegraphs, and tested residents' shoveling stamina. Number 12. On the 11th of March, 1917, British forces seized Baghdad from the Ottoman Empire during World War I, marking a crucial Allied victory and reshuffling power in the oil-rich Middle Eastern region. Number 11. On March 11th, 1918, the first documented U.S. cases of the Spanish flu emerged at Fort Riley, Kansas. The pandemic would kill millions worldwide, overshadowing wartime chaos with deadly force. Number 10. On the 11th of March, 1941, President Franklin D. Roosevelt signed the Lend-Lease Act into law, supplying Allied nations with vital materials. The measure catapulted the U.S. toward deeper involvement in World War II. Number 9. On 11 March 1959, Lorraine Hansberry's A Raisin in the Sun debuted on Broadway, spotlighting African-American family struggles in Chicago and forever reshaping American theater with searing social commentary. Number 8. On the 11th of March, 1978, a Palestinian militant group staged the Coastal Road Massacre in Israel, hijacking a bus and killing dozens. The attack heightened regional tensions and triggered fierce retaliation. Number 7. On the 11th of March, 1985, Mikhail Gorbachev became leader of the Soviet Union, introducing glasnost and perestroika. His reforms loosened Cold War rigidity and inadvertently paved the way for the USSR's collapse. Number 6. On the 11th of March, 1990, Lithuania boldly declared independence from the Soviet Union, reigniting democratic hopes throughout Eastern Europe and catalyzing events that would see the mighty Soviet bloc crumble. Number 5. On the 11th of March, 1997, Paul McCartney received a knighthood from Queen Elizabeth II for services to music, bestowing rock and roll royalty upon the already legendary ex-Beatle from Liverpool. Number 4. On 11 March 2004, coordinated train bombings shook Madrid's commuter lines, killing 193 people and injuring thousands. Spain reeled under the worst terrorist attack in its history, sparking massive global condemnation. Number 3. On the 11th of March 2006, Michelle Bachelet took office as Chile's first female president. Her victory signaled progressive political wins and catapulted gender equality debates onto a broader South American stage. Number 2. On the 11th of March 2011, the Tohoku earthquake and tsunami devastated Japan's northeast, leveling entire towns and triggering the Fukushima Daiichi nuclear disaster. This triple catastrophe stunned the world with its ferocity. Number 1. On the 11th of March 2020, the World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a global pandemic, catapulting humanity into lockdowns, economic turmoil, and new ways of living that historians will undoubtedly parse for ages. And that's your crash course in 11 March's epic timeline. From unstoppable tectonic forces to unstoppable rock stars, today's events prove reality can outdo any Hollywood script. If you're craving more, hit subscribe and invite fellow trivia fanatics to join our daily time-hopping spree. Trust us, tomorrow's date holds even juicier historical secrets, from wild personalities to world-shaking breakthroughs. Ready for another mind-bending ride? Come back for the next episode and satisfy your curiosity.